Bringing in the relief pitcher. He delivers. Perfect pitch for a strike. Strike one. He's in a full windup. And a deep foul ball. Here's the windup and the pitch. He just held off on that one. 1-2. He delivers. Takes the pitch for a ball outside. 2 balls, 2 strikes. He's in a full windup. It's a number off the end of the bat. He tracked that one right off the bat. He's in a full windup. That's a strike. Strike one. Here's the windup and the pitch. Batter's got a good eye. 1-1. He's in a full windup. He just held off on that one. 2 balls and 1. Here's the windup and the pitch. He just missed the plate. 3 balls and 1. Here's the windup and the pitch. He pounded that one right into the gap. Safe. 1 out. Runner on first. He's standing back in the batter's box. He swung out of his shoes. Strike one. Here's the windup and the called strike. Strike two. Here's the windup and the pitch. He just missed the plate. 1-2. He's in a full windup. He just carved up that batter. 2 outs. Runner on first. The batter's stepping up to the plate. A high, hard one. He could not have placed that any better. Throw down to second. Throw to home. 2 outs. Runners on first and third. He's standing back in the batter's box. Ball one. He delivers. Called strike. 1 ball and 1 strike. He delivers. He just held off on that one. 2 balls and here's the windup and the pitch. That was close, but a foul ball. He delivers. Throw to first. He made the tag.